Welcome to another episode of Spotlight Kerala Samajam. Today we are here in this Maya Physical Therapy Clinic and gonna see Dr. Sanjay Naduparambil. Let's go. Today we have Sanjay Naduparambil, who has been working as a physical therapist for the past 27 years and the owner of Maya Physical Therapy Clinic, who helps people to regain health and mobility. Good evening, Sanjay sir, for giving your time. Will you please tell about yourself, your background and your journey till here?
First of all, thank you, Kerala Samajam, for taking your time and coming over here. This is wonderful. My name is Sanjay Naduparambil. I'm a physical therapist. I have been a PT for the past 25 years, and I'm in the physical therapy field for about 35 years. I graduated as a PT assistant from New Jersey in 1991 and worked for a few years, then went back to PT school, finished the physical therapy program and graduated in 98 and continue my PT legacy since then. I'm in Florida for the past 22 years. This outpatient physical therapy clinic was formed about 14 years ago. So I'm in this location for past 14 years.
At what point of time did you decide to be a physical therapist?
I came to the United States in 1988. So when I came after pre-degree and 2 years of degree or 1.5 years of degree. So I was about 19 years of age, and then I had to study something. Majority of our people were in the medical field, and so was my family. Most of my family people are in the medical field, so I had the opportunity to go do some observation in a couple of hospitals. I saw the physical therapy field as the most impressive for me, and I did PT assistant program. I always had the passion to help people recuperate their pain and stuff like that.
When was Maya Physical Clinic established?
Maya Corporation was established a little bit after my daughter Maya was born. So I formed a corporation, as a good luck. And this outpatient clinic was formed about 14 years ago.
In your opinion, what are damages or pain a human body come across as the age passes by? And what all precautions should be taken to be on the safer side?
As we get older, aches and pains are part of our life. Usually the aches and pains come from wear and tear. It all depends on, how much do you do. So people who play sports, they do excessive wear and tear. So they probably need a knee replacement at the age of 38 or 40. At the same time, somebody else who has a sedentary lifestyle, they probably never need a knee replacement, or they could push it up to like 80 or 85 years old. So it all depends on the usage. What can we do? Exercise. Okay, make exercise and strength building as part of your lifestyle, and definitely managing the weight, control the weight, and which is for our well-being. Weight control, keep seeing your doctor on a regular basis, and exercise on a regular basis.
What are the main challenges have you faced in this field?
In any field, staying in business is a challenge every day. So you have to manage the business. You have to make sure the business goes on. You have to make sure the people who works, you take care of them. So the challenge is In the outpatient physical therapy, our most challenging part is getting paid from the insurance companies. It's always very difficult, and every day there is more and more obstacle to come across to get paid. So that is the absolute challenge. But otherwise, it's been a wonderful journey for me.
Can you tell us about the different type of patients you see here?
Yeah, I do see a wide variety of patients here. First of all, we see post-operative patients, patients who come after surgeries, shoulder surgeries, knee surgeries, hip surgeries, back surgeries. They all most likely sent from a orthopedic surgeon's office. We also see sports injuries. I work with the different athletic clubs, and they send their patients after they get injury, any kind of injury after any sports injuries mostly. Another group of patients that we see is automobile accident cases. Once, especially our people, very illiterate about what they need to do after an auto accident or a car accident injury. So we treat all the car accident patients, slip and fall injuries, workers' compensation patients, all variety of patients that we see. So when a patient come after a car accident or a auto injury or a slip and fall injury, we have attorneys that we work with, and we have doctors that we work with. Anything and everything they needed, we provide from this office.
What all insurances do you take, and what if they don't have insurance?
We take a wide variety of insurances. We are in-network provider for most of the insurances. Medicare, Medicaid, United, Cigna, the list goes on. We also treat car accident patients, and their insurance is covered by the auto insurance. Patients who don't have insurance, we do have a decent list of private pay patients. So private pay, we customize a package for them. What treatments do they need, and how many modalities they need, what the duration of the treatments. So we do make a package for them and help them out. We have attractive packages, since they are paying out of pocket, we have special packages for the non-insured patients.
What are the different kind of treatments you provide here and the innovative technologies you use here?
So Maya Physical Therapy believes in modern technologies and with an Eastern philosophy. That's our motto. I'm very eager to know about what is coming up in technology-wise in physical therapy. So I always look for the modern equipments or the new technologies out there. We have sales representative coming and giving us in-services from different manufacturers time to time. We have the normal electrical stimulation therapy. We have heat, electrical stimulation, ultrasound. We have mechanical traction. We have class 4 laser treatment. We have shockwave therapy. We have Normatec compression. These are all the new treatments out there, which is the state-of-the-art treatments in physical therapy. Let's go to the back. Let me show you around, and one by one, we will explain all the equipments to you. This is Scott. With his permission, I'm going to talk about his treatment, and Scott is actually having mechanical traction. Mechanical traction is, pulling, him with use of this machine. He came with a back pain and radiating pain, so sort of sciatic kind of pain. Now with his upper body is stabilized and the lower body is being pulled, so the space between the vertebrae increases, and any impingement on the nerve root will be released through this treatment. He just had one treatment last week, and he feels absolutely fantastic. Scott, you want to talk about that?
Sure. after the treatment, I felt great, and it's continued for several days, and I'm looking forward to more improvement.
And he was able to walk on the treadmill for 10 minutes today without taking any break. So he was very happy to, accomplish that.
Hi, what all kind of different therapies and treatments did you take?
So I started with the stimulation of the muscles. I've had the Shockwave, and I've had the new laser on top of the traction. And I've been here about 3 weeks, almost 4. And I'm seeing much improvement from all the therapies.
So how is your situation before getting treatment and now?
I feel great. So much improvement. The laser is phenomenal, and the shockwave therapy is phenomenal.
What was your recovery phase?
Right now I'm about 3 weeks into recovery, and hopefully another 3 more weeks and I'll be good.
So what is your testimony about this clinic?
I'm very happy and very pleased to be a patient of Sanjay's and the clinic. They've helped me quite a bit, and I look forward to being well.
Thank you. Can you please explain about the shortwave treatment?
Absolutely. So at Maya Physical Therapy, I believe in using all modern equipments. So our motto is modern treatment with an Eastern philosophy. So I'm going to use a shockwave treatment on this young man. His name is Kishore. Shockwave is a non-invasive treatment using sound waves to break through the soft tissue, and it's a deep penetration which stimulates the soft tissue underneath and produces a good effect of increase blood flow, bring the inflammation down, and regenerate the tissue. This is an amazing machine. Any chronic conditions such as tendinitis, bursitis, tennis elbow, plantar fasciitis, hip bursitis, and knee pain, joint pain, neck pain. Kishore, here is having adhesive capsulitis, otherwise known as frozen shoulder. So I'm going to use the treatment so I could break the adhesions inside the joint. And afterwards, we're going to use another machine, which I will explain later on. But I'm going to use the shockwave treatment on Kishore. So during the shockwave treatment, the patient is going to feel a little bit of discomfort, and probably, some discomfort, overnight. But the next day, he's going to be feeling fantastic. So the shockwave treatment is done 1 to 2 times a week for about 4 weeks, and the result is fantastic. So this is called a class 4 laser. Okay. Laser is a red light therapy or infrared light therapy, but this equipment is the most modern, technology in the laser equipment, and this is an FDA cleared, equipment. Laser works deep into the soft tissue, and it produces heat and bring the anti-inflammatory effect, and it regenerate the tissue cells in there. It works within the mitochondria, and it helps to regenerate the tissue there. So pain relief is immediate. Patient will feel relief immediately after the treatment. This is widely used in the most acute, problems, acute pain, sprain, strain, any kind of neck, back, shoulder, knee pain from any kind of injury, and it works like a magic. Sure, when I start the treatment, you're going to feel a little warmth. Okay, let me know if you feel the warmth. Okay. Okay. So one good thing about the laser treatment is very fast. For this machine, it goes up to 40 watts, which is a very powerful laser. And the treatment time for this specific, protocol is only about 2.5 minutes. So in 2.5 minutes, we get the result that we are looking for.
What's your good name?
My name is Luz Chankawi.
What treatment are you currently undergoing?
I had get done almost everything in here. I will say better to say what bring me here, right? After an accident. I suffered a fail, and after 4 months of an incredible and totally unable to move my arm, I came to Sanjay, and he had been my therapist since then. An amazing job. I was in really bad shape. 4 months ago, I think about it now, and it touched me because I couldn't even move my arm to put deodorant. I couldn't move it. I couldn't dress myself. I was in such a pain. I was totally handicapped on my shoulder. And I came here for 8 sections, and I scream every day. People would get really scared. When I came in, they will ask, is the lady that scream coming? Because it was really painful to hear me, the way I scream. And it was hard, really hard. Sanjay did an incredible work for me.
With Luz's permission, I'm going to, talk about her for a second. Luz had a severe case of frozen shoulder. Okay, her shoulder was stuck. She could move only like 30 degrees, and that was it. So she suffered through a lot of pain during therapy. She told me I had no compassion, but I always told her, the compassion part is given in the front desk, but here is strictly therapy, so she did. She survived. She had to go through a procedure of manipulation under anesthesia halfway through her therapy because we had a severe blockage, but she did in about 6 weeks, and she made amazing progress, and now we have become best friends. So thank you, Luz. Thank you for your trust in me, and I really appreciate that.
Hi, what's your good name?
Nicole.
Why are you here?
I got in an accident about a month ago, and my lawyer recommended me this place, Maya Therapy, and I met Sanjay. Ever since, he's been helping me. My shoulders were completely incapable of moving, and I was in excruciating pain as well. They do electromagnetic shock, and they also do heating pads and exercises to help me move my muscles better and to improve my movement. Ever since I got here, since the first day, they treated me with love, respect, everything. They're an amazing family. Everything about them is amazing. It's been an experience, and honestly, I can say that I'm almost fully recovered as thanks to Sanjay and Maya's therapies. They have been an incredible help in my life, and they've exceeded my expectations on everything they've been doing. They helped me so much with my case. They are on top of me, knowing that I'm a little lazy sometimes doing those things. And especially Barbie. Barbie's always on top of me as well, helping me come here as much as I can, knowing that I have a busy schedule. And they've just done so much for me, and I thank them so much.
So today is Nicole's birthday, and we adapted, Nicole into the Maya Physical Therapy family. So many happy returns of the day, Nicole.
Thank you so much, Sanjay and Barbie.
Oh, thank you. We just
Okay, let's.
don't forget us ever.
Happy birthday to you.
On behalf of all Kerala Samajam families, we sincerely thank you for your valuable time for this interview and taking us to the clinic tour. And for over a decade, you have been a strong supporter and sponsor of Kerala Samajam. We thank you for that too.